What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing some tow mirrors on this 2014 Chevy Silverado. Big shout out to Yita Motor for working with me and the channel to get these mirrors sent out for this truck. In this box right here, we've got these chrome cap, full power. They're heated, turn signals, you name it. We'll get them pulled out of the box. You guys check them out, and then we will show you the process of how you take the old mirrors off. You have to take the door panel off, pop all this off. I'll show you guys that whole process of getting them on the truck.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit.
You have to pop this cover off behind the door handle. You have a cover down here in the actual handle itself. We've got two screws right here. They look like 7 millimeters. Gotta pop those off. And then the door panel itself will snap off. You have to snap this section off. This whole piece comes off as one big piece. This window trim, gotta snap that off, and then we will get into the harness for the mirrors and the bolts holding the mirrors on.
I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
All right, guys, and that is it for the tow mirrors. So as you saw, not too hard to install them. Biggest difficulty is getting the door panel off. We did have one issue on the mirrors. There's a 4th bolt right here that is not already drilled on the truck. So instead of drilling the hole, we just cut the bolt off. That way, I mean, factory mirrors were held on with 3 bolts. These aftermarket mirrors will be perfectly fine. But as you can tell, they look so good on here. The only issue is we don't have daytime running lights on these lights right here. So Boost Auto actually makes a inline tap that you can install. You don't have to take the mirrors off. Have to take the door panel off on the inside, install that inline tap, and you can make these running lights and turn signals. They also sell actual switchbacks, so if you wanted to run white and then have the amber turn signal, you can do that as well. Still got to figure out how this floodlight right here works. Not entirely sure where the pinout is on that plug, but we will figure it out eventually. It's not plug and play on the mirrors, unfortunately. Amazon says that they are made for this truck. Slight modification, have to cut that one bolt off, and they do bolt up. They do plug in. You have, you know, mirror controls, you have turn signals, the heated glass, all those options work. But we don't have running lights. I mean, I guess that's really it. This truck came factory with power folding. These are not power folding mirrors, so you do lose that option. Boost Auto does make that option if you guys were interested in something like that. I think compared to before to now, they look 1,000 times better. So I will leave a link to these mirrors down in the description. Huge shout out to Yita Motor for working with us to get these mirrors on the truck. You guys want to go check them out. They sell headlights, mirrors, steps, hitches, you name it. Go check out their Amazon store. Pick yourself up some Yita Motor parts. Thank you guys for watching the video. Remember to like this video, hit the subscribe button. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Be fucking great. Love y'all.
Keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch. Always have a plan.